I'm Mayur and this is my 20 words interpreted into Hmong. So cái chỉ xia anger, cái wala wala business, cái yutuki childbirth, cái block cái tua death, cái nyo xian chao blood anxiety, cái mon chakaji diabetes, cái dieta how dizziness, cái phong yu friendship, cái mota how headache, cái chai bla hunger, cái puchi jojo insomnia, cái tai lu interpretation, cái mon cha xia hypertension, cái to yu to xia suicide, cái tu xia sadness, cái tu ki parenting, cái to xian to blood mental health, to cái ku si regret, cái la nyo boredom, to cái warning lifestyle.